Look at this long dataset. When I scroll down, I lose the header row. Now I don't know what these numbers mean. Is it price or quantity? It's annoying and confusing. Let's lock the header in place. Click on the row you want to freeze. Go to View menu, select Freeze, and choose one row. Now, scroll down. See? The header stays at the top. Perfect. But what if you scroll to the right? We lose the transaction IDs. Let's freeze the first column too. Go to View, Freeze, and choose one column. Here is a pro tip. You don't even need the menu. See these thick gray lines in the top left corner? Just drag them. Pull the horizontal line down to row 5. Now, 5 rows are locked. Pull the vertical line right to column C. This is the fastest way to freeze any amount of data. Now, you can scroll in any direction and your key data is always visible. Subscribe to Sheets Logic for more quick tips.